The next-gen process transforms aerospace-grade aluminum, aggressively shaping the alloy for lightweight performance. The robotic arms ensure flawless integration. This next-generation process guarantees structural and aesthetic precision. From the heat of the welding bay, the Camaro moves into the clinical light of the inspection stage, where precision is paramount. The CMM probe ensures every point on the Camaro shell meets our exact specifications. The E-coat process ensures total coverage, transforming the material at a molecular level.
The thermal transformation stage sees the Camaro body shell baked at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a durable primer coat.
The Riverside Blue metallic finish is applied with pinpoint accuracy by the robotic arm, ensuring a flawless coat every time. The culmination of our next-gen process, revealing the flawless mirror finish of the Riverside Blue metallic. This is the electrical nervous system, over 1,200 connection points, ensuring flawless communication throughout the vehicle.
This milestone represents the future of assembly, the fully autonomous handover to quality control.
We're examining the flawless alignment of the red contrast stitching. The center stack buttons provide a precise, dampened click. The laser alignment platform precisely measures the critical angles, ensuring every vehicle meets the exact factory.
This is the next-gen process. The sculpted hood, these functional vents demonstrate how warm
The signature top-down shot reveals the mechanical heart of the Camaro, the powerful and pristine LT1 6.2-liter V8 engine. Next-gen process, transformation complete. From raw steel to American performance icon complete. The product leaves the factory,